Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together as per usual. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to support this channel, there is a link for my Patreon right down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please, follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty, I'm sure there's a note in here explaining the contents and who sent it. As per usual, let's just... Did I make the... Is that a clean cut? No. Give that cut about a B+. Alright, what do we have? Oh, we have a note. Alright, let's take a look. Alright. Let's take a look here. Oh, she does have Instagram, but it says it's just for me. So I'll ask her first and see if it's okay when I do the review to actually show her Instagram. So anyways, take a look at that here in a second. Oh boy, we do have a Protech here. Let's turn the exposure up just a little bit. And thank you so much for sending this, by the way. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. This is the little... I'm sure it says in the note. I lied. The purple looks cool. Ah, this is neat. S35VN. Very cool. Hang on real quick here. I mean, obviously, the name of it will be in the title here. Yeah, this is the Sprint. It's actually called the Sprint. Not a sprint run, but the Sprint. I believe this knife is still available, so I'll link it down below. I believe that the intention with this guy was Cali Legal Auto, which is cool. That's great, so that people who are, you know, being restricted by some draconian knife laws can enjoy an automatic knife, because automatic knives are extremely utilitarian, and for the most part, just like all other knives, don't need to be feared just for their automatic nature, right? This is cool, very utilitarian, as per usual, the snappy Protech. It's just amazing to me that something so small can be so powerful, so snappy. God dang, that's cool. Honestly, I kind of like the contrast between the purple ano, the hard coat Type 3 anodizing that's on this aluminum here, and the satin on the hardware and on the blade. S35VN, I think that's great. Honestly, their standard 154cm or CPM 154 would be just fine, but I know a lot of people appreciate S35VN for a little bit extra edge retention. And am I mistaken? Is S35VN more corrosion resistant than 154? I don't know. I think they're fairly similar. I think 154cm's got a little bit better toughness, and S35VN has a little bit better edge retention. Actually, I think S35VN has quite a bit more edge retention, so a lot of people enjoy it there. Nice centering, and as per usual, yeah, nice lockup. Nothing going on there that's bad at all. This is cool. I've said this earlier on. There's going to be a lot of Protechs this month because I love Protech knives. I've said this a million times. I think Protech makes the best sight-opening automatic knives on the planet, and I have reviewed a lot, but not nearly as many as I should have. There's so many good Protech models out there that I've never had a chance to handle, never had a chance to showcase on this channel. I think their company's excellent. I think they pretty much knock it out of the park with everything that they make. So yeah, I'm going to be linking this guy down below, assuming it's still available, and Protech knives in general. The entire company and most of the product line is extremely recommendable, at least the knives that I've actually reviewed. If you want to know what knives I've reviewed from the Protech line, you can simply type in Metal Complex and Protech on YouTube, and it should bring up a ton of my videos. But yeah, very, very cool. Very nice. Let's check the edge here. Nice. Nice and thin behind the edge too. I don't think this is very thick blade. It might look thick because of the overall size of the knife, right? It's a shorter knife, but no. Very cool, awesome little. Whether you live in an area where you're restricted by the length of the blade or not, I think that just first impressions, I think it's a nice little EDC knife. Very cool. I think that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Thank you very much to the person who sent this in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Have a great day.